Welcome to the AMEB Grade 4 Theory course. Today, we'll be looking at Lesson 1, New Major Scales. Here is the scale of E major, which we learnt in Grade 3 Theory. Let's divide this into two tetrachords. Modulation in music is a shift from one key into another, and also the process through which this shift is achieved. Modulation creates variety in a piece of music through the use of keys other than the tonic. Hemiola refers to a rhythmic device where, typically, there is a change between hearing 6 equal notes as 2 groups of 3 or 3 groups of 2. Here is a 9-bar melody. While clearly in 3/4 time, in bar 7 a hemiola is introduced, so that there is a momentary disruption of the prevailing meter into 3 groups of 2 crotchets, like this. In Grade 3 Theory, we learnt to write root position and first inversion primary triads in close position. We are now going to learn how to write these chords in 4-part harmony, adding chords 2 and 6 from the secondary triads for major keys, and chord 6 for minor keys, in keys up to 4 sharps or 4 flats. Today, we'll be looking at Lesson 9A, longer passages of harmony, choosing cadences, and approach chords. In the next 2 lessons, we will be using our knowledge of cadences and secure voice leading to harmonise melodies of up to 6 bars in length. Lesson 9A will detail the first 2 stages in this process, choosing appropriate cadences for the end of each phrase, and choosing a suitable approach chord to lead into each cadence. In this lesson, we will be applying rhythm and melody writing processes to 2 couplets, showing how we can develop balanced and effective melodies from them, extending the principles we have learnt in Grade 3 Theory. Here is the first couplet. Here is a child who clambers and scrambles, all by himself and gathering brambles. Let's start by considering the rhythm. Notice the stresses on the following syllables. Here, child, clam in clambers, scram in scrambles, all, self in himself, gath in gathering, and bram in brambles. There are 6 key ornaments we'll be learning in this lesson, all of which were commonly used in the Baroque period. The first is an upper mordent. This ornament instructs the performer to move rapidly from the written note to the note 1 step above and back again. Here, you can see the symbol for an upper mordent, and here is an example of how it might be executed. Here are the new signs and terms, and their meanings and abbreviations for Grade 4 Theory. Speed. Tempo commodo, at a comfortable speed. Tempo giusto, at a consistent speed. Lo stesso tempo, at the same speed. Non troppo, not too much. Grave, slow and solemn.